Hello friends, today I have HP Pavilion 15 CU series laptop. Okay, this laptop problem is, see this one, I turn it on and it connect to machine. Now turn it on. See whatever it get, this 350 milliamps, and see the keyboard. It show 5 long and 3 short blinking. Okay, now I show you how it happened. So this HP 5 long and 3 short caps lock, it show indicate serious hardware fail, most like a motherboard problem, but it can also be a RAM issue. Okay, now how I identify this issue, motherboard side or RAM side? Okay, we have new tool for it. I turn it off. See, machine is turned it off. See friends, this is a motherboard part number DAG7CMB16E1. This is a model number motherboard. Now I introduced to you, this is a best tool to check this errors. DDR4 debug card. This is a ENIT product. Okay, in Sri Lankan, they can buy it from me. Okay, now I plug it this tool and turn it the machine. See, see, see these voltages. Wait, I will get it the another side. Now I power it on. Oh, see what voltages are present. See, 3.3 SPD voltage present, VPP 2.5 is present, VDD 1.2 is present, VTT 0.59 is present, and RCA 0.60%, but RST, it means DRAM preset, is not present. See, this is a error. Now I do one thing, press and hold this button. See, all bus signals are okay. Okay, see, see. It means our motherboard not produce the DRAM reset. Okay, firstly I do one thing, I hope to flash this BIOS. Friend, before BIOS flashing, I protect this plastic connectors from the heat tape. Okay, now we can start to removing chip. Friends, now I connect this Raccoon BIOS programmer to machine. See, this one is a BIOS file. Okay, copy and paste it. This one, friend, already I go to HP website and I get add the serial number and get the this BIOS exe, and I this is exe file I extract it. This one is the BID file. Okay, now I do one thing. I add this DMI data to this file. Open Raccoon BIOS programmer. Delete old file. Now copy this file to Raccoon programmer. Copy and paste. Then now this step is finished. Now next step is this chip solder to motherboard. Okay. Friends, I remove this protection tape. Now we can check what happened now. Plug to power and turn to power supply. Friends, power supply is okay. Now I turn it on. See what happened. Still problem is same. Okay. Still problem is same. However, back to video. After removing motherboard from the casing, and we can start our diagnostic one by one. Friends, now I get motherboard from the casing. Now I give power and turn it on. See, turn it on. Now we can check what coil have voltages. Friend, 5 volt is present. Now I check RAM coil with 1.2 is present. We already check it with any debug card. And see this GPU coils. See 1.35% and see 0.9 it is present. Yeah, it is a 0.9 already present. See this coil, no voltages. This coil, no voltage, and this coil, no voltage. This coil, no voltage, and this one, 1 volt is present. Okay. Now check this one, 3.3 is present. Friends, this motherboard main problem is VCO. VCO IC controlling coils, no voltage present. Okay. Now I do one thing. This side is no VCO. So IC is here. This is VCO IC. See, now I turn it on. See, friend, what is the problem? See, when I power is turned off. Okay. See, friend, this one, this capacitor, it is a pin number 12. One, pin number 12. See, this line, this capacitor have leak and this 2.2 ohm resistor is burned. Okay. Now we can check it with our schematic diagram. This model no schematic diagram. Okay. I found this is a similar model schematic diagram. We can check. I will show you. This is a schematic diagram. This one, this model no schematic diagram. Okay. I found similar schematic diagram. Okay. See, this is a VCO IC. V in pin number 12. Okay. See this path. This is the leakage capacitor here. This one. And this 2.2 resistor is burned. This one. Okay. Now I do one thing. Replace these two and we can check what happened in our motherboard. Okay. and I clean this area with isopropyl alcohol. Okay. Now I check this line impedance. Value is good friend. Now we can start. What happened now? See when now I turn it on. Yes, it get and I turn. See our job is done. See this amp and see our RAM. See print this our DDR reset is coming. It means our job is done. Now see this amp. See print. It is a restart. It means our job is done. Okay. This ENIT DDR Debug card is very easy tool to use. It give all details. Our diagnostic time is very less with this tool. Okay. Friends, I connect motherboard to case. Now you can see display is come. Okay, see our job is done. Okay, thanks for watching friends.